So they used to resod the stadium every year, and in 2019 we sodded with Latitude 36, and we have not resodded since, and that's a savings in the millions of dollars. And not just that, it's beauty and performance within the year is also a big issue. I'm John DeWitt. I'm the Director of Athletic Grounds here at University of Alabama. We have 6 fields here, and we have Latitude at Bryant-Denny. We have Latitude on field 1 of our 3-field practice complex. One of the athletic trainers came out to us at the end of October and was like, man, we have, the entire staff has slept better because the footing is so much better in October than we've ever seen it on the practice field. This is the time of year where we really start to worry about injuries. We don't overseed anymore, and one of the reasons is because of the Latitude, but the striping effect, the dark light from the mowing pattern is so profound that people think that, we'll hear it from third-party sources like, they've overseeded, and that speaks to its aesthetics. It's got a very fine leaf texture, the color. Coach Saban hates ryegrass. We're not allowed to use it, and Latitude has allowed us to not need that. It's a beautiful grass. 65 degrees soil temps, 419 starts moving, 55 degrees, the North Bridge and Latitude start moving, and that's important for us because spring practice fires up and the fields are beat up. Like a program like ours, we're going to the national championship almost every year, so we're practicing into January, man. So they don't get, Thanksgiving, it doesn't end for us. We keep going, and so it's able to withstand the extra months of play that we get just because of the kind of program we are, and then resume just a couple of months later. In 30 years of growing grass, Latitude has changed my stress level. And a quote I said to one of my best friends that works at Georgia Tech was like, this grass performs at the level that I want to maintain it at, if that makes sense. And it probably won't to everybody, but sports turf managers will know what I mean.